Hi guys, welcome to this class. All right, today we'll be solving this question. The question says a square is inscribed inside a circle with radius 5 centimeters. What is the area of the square? Okay, so we have an image there to give us a pictorial representation of what we're looking at here. Now, if the radius of the circle is 5 centimeters as is written here, it means that somewhere from here down here to here is 5 centimeters, and from here down up to this place is also 5 centimeters, right? So 5 plus 5, that gives us 10 centimeters. Okay, it means that the diagonal of the square is 10 centimeters. And if it's a square, we understand that the sides of the square are equal. So if this place is S, this place is also S. All right, so with respect to what we have already, we understand the diagonal of the square now, which is also the diameter of the circle, is 10 centimeters, right? The sides of the square, we have decided to represent the sides of the square with S. So in this triangle now, every square has 90 degrees at the diagonal. So we understand that this is a right angle triangle. Let's have that somewhere around here. Okay, so in my drawing, we have something like this now. Something like this. Okay, 10, S and S. So now we have this right angle triangle, and we can find the value of S, the sides, by using Pythagoras. So using Pythagoras theorem, we understand the hypotenuse 10 squared will be equal to the sum of the square of the two sides. So S squared plus S squared. All right. So this will in turn give us 10 squared is equal to 2S squared. So now we're trying to make S the subject of the formula here. All right. We have 10 squared is equal to 2S squared. So this will in turn give us 100 is equal to 2S squared, which when we divide both sides by 2, we then have 50 is equal to S squared. Okay, so S will then be the square root of 50. By sort, we understand that S will then become the square root of 25 multiplied by 2. The square root of 25 itself is 5. So in this place, we have something like this, 5 root 2. All right. I'm going to take this time to give a shout out to one of my students who actually is good at math, but she doesn't like it. She has to keep her name anonymous. So please do make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video so others can learn from it. Thank you very much. Okay, so now we have gotten the sides of the square. Let's check that again. So the sides of the square are, so now we have gotten S here is equal to 5 root 2. Okay, so if it's got side of the square, now we can calculate the area of the square. Now area of the square is equal to S squared, which is 5 root 2, okay, all squared. We understand S squared, we have it here, which is 50. So S squared is equal to 50. So area of the square is equal to 50 centimeters squared. I hope you understood that. Thank you very much for coming to this class. Do have a blessed day. I hope to see you in subsequent videos. Thank you for coming. Bye bye.